Did you know London transforms into a winter wonderland every December? From glittering lights to festive markets, it's a magical experience you won't want to miss. Hi everyone, I'm your name. And today I'm taking on the ultimate Christmas challenge, experiencing the most magical Christmas in London, all in just one day. Sounds impossible, right? Well, let's see if we can make it happen. London's Christmas atmosphere is unlike any other. Picture this. Oxford Street decked out in thousands of twinkling lights, the iconic Christmas tree in Trafalgar Square, and the smell of roasted chestnuts filling the air. It's truly enchanting. But with so much to see and do, how do you navigate the festive chaos and make the most of your visit? That's the challenge we're facing today. So grab a hot cocoa, and let's dive into the heart of London's Christmas magic. First stop, the Christmas markets. Head over to Winter Wonderland in Hyde Park for a mix of thrilling rides, ice sculptures, and endless food stalls. Quick tip, go early to avoid the crowds and snag some delicious bratwurst. Next, let's catch the stunning light displays. Carnaby Street always has a unique theme, and Regent Street's angels are a must-see. Don't forget to snap a photo under the lights. They make for the perfect holiday Instagram post. Feeling chilly? Warm up with a spin on the ice rink at the Natural History Museum. It's one of the most picturesque rinks in London, set against the backdrop of the museum's stunning architecture. For a touch of tradition, you can't miss the Christmas Carol service at St. Paul's Cathedral. The hauntingly beautiful music will leave you feeling the true spirit of the season. And here comes the key moment of our journey, witnessing the lighting of the Christmas tree in Trafalgar Square. This tree is a gift from Norway, a tradition that dates back to 1947. When those lights sparkle to life, it's pure magic. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of London's Christmas wonders. From markets to lights, ice skating to carols, each experience adds a layer of magic to the season. I hope you enjoyed this festive journey. Leave a comment with your favorite Christmas memories in London, and don't forget to check out my other holiday videos. Happy holidays, everyone!